When building your business, one thing that will set you apart is practice. But let's be honest, finding a hand to practice on isn't always easy. Today, we're going to explore 4 different ways that you can keep practicing without asking friends and family to allow you to make mistakes without worrying about leaving a permanent stain for 2 weeks. This gives you room to breathe, to slow down, and to perfect your muscle memory on your own time. First method that we're going to explore is using the anatomical hand templates. I love printing these, and you can either laminate them or use them just the way they are. If you are laminating them, it's the best way to scrape off the paste and go again instantly. Phase 1 is all about the brain and the hand. I use a pencil to brainstorm ideas and map out symmetry. I then switch to the cone to build muscle memory and perfect my line weight and shading. If you're a digital henna artist, importing these into Procreate is going to be a game changer. For brainstorming bridal layouts sustainably, it also allows you to create digital magic to show a client exactly how the design looks like even before you've picked up a cone. This way you can create various designs and archive effortlessly. But the ultimate test is texture. Practicing on a silicone hand mimics the curves and elasticity of a real skin, bridging the gap between paper and the real thing. Every method has its own place in the art of practice. This is exactly why I created this real-life hand template. I wanted something that wasn't just flat drawing, but true to scale canvas that reflects a real client's hand. Whether you're laminating them for muscle memory or using the forearm versions for your digital portfolio, these are designed to grow with you. I've linked the full set below for you to explore. I know how many days and nights we spend practicing away at our craft, and I genuinely cannot wait to see what you create. Take a photo of your practice today and drop it in the art and feedback section so we can all cheer you on. Which one helps you create the best?